Swappers are busy, so I will keep this short. A swapper is a biofoodie that wants to eat healthy food but is just short of time, so they buy a bio box with plants ready to eat, and when finished just swap for a new box. They're busy, so in the shortest possible time, what is the minimum they need to know? They need to know about tipping, just cutting the tips off plants and letting them regrow. They don't need to worry about fertilizers, pH and all that. The grower will look after that. But they do need to water. The key here is not to keep on topping up with water. Fill the box until there is water in the swivel tube and just leave. Doing nothing is right. When the tube is near empty, swivel to drain. There will be enough water in the soil to last a whole day. Then refill. If the water has not been used up after a week, then drain and refill anyway. Dead simple. Now, if you want to be nice, then the biota movement is all about sustainability and recycling, so you can save up your food waste to give to your grower, who can then recycle it properly and return it to you as nutrient-rich soil. But there is something that is important to know. Despite what your dietitian may say, there is nothing wrong with buying a frozen pizza and just putting it in the microwave for 5 minutes. But what you do need to know is that there is no beneficial biology, the biota in the pizza. They are just full of energy food, which is fine. We need energy food, and as long as we don't eat too much, our bodies will just burn it off. No problem. The problem is that if you are not feeding your gut brain, which controls your body, particularly your appetite, your gut brain will make you feel hungry, so you will overeat. This food craving from a poor gut is a common reason why so many people get fat. Much of modern food is generally low in minerals, particularly the essential trace minerals. A busy person may be tempted to load up with pills from the local chemist, but look at the economics. You pay $50 for a bottle of pills with just milligrams of minerals. Your grower can buy a 10-ton truck of minerals for $100, and getting your minerals from your food is far more healthy and gives a better nutrient balance than pills. Your grower can advise you on which plants are best to buy for your gut brain and minerals that grow well in your local soil. But one of the biota team, Annie, is an excellent cook and will be making videos on how to prepare gut food that tastes really good. And let's not poo-poo taste. Taste is nature's way of telling us what is good for us and what our bodies need. I hope you will watch her video, but to keep in touch, go to our web www.gbiota.com and join the Biota Club to meet like-minded people in your area. And no one will be snooping on you to catch your profile so someone can sell you something or other.